Hello everyone, I am Kanchan Shah and today we are going to see some of the DOS command. To go to the DOS prompt from the task menu, we have to type CMD. As soon as we type the CMD, we go to the DOS prompt and this is called as a DOS prompt or the command line interface. Now there are two types of interface, GUI and command line. So normally what we do is a GUI interface and this console is called as a command line interface. In the command line interface, all the instructions that we operate or that we tell to the operating system are done from the keyboard only. Now, let us see the first command in the DOS operating system. DOS stands for Disk Operating System. The first command that we will type here is the date command. For the syntax for the date command is date and you press enter. You will see the current date that is being displayed and this current date is displayed in the format of MMDDYY. And now the second line tells that you have to enter the new date. So if you want to enter the new date, this is MM. So I will put on the 11th month and the 03 date and this is 2022. Okay. And when I press enter, it is showing me privileges is not held by the client. Means I am not the administrator of this account, so I can't change the date. So the system date will remain as it is, right? Now when I press enter, I am going back to the cursor, that is the DOS prompt here again. Now the next command in the DOS is the time, 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 and then press enter. It will show me the current time that is being it will show me the system time. Okay, and the system time is shown. Again, here you have the option that you can change the time also. But as I have no privileges, I can't change the time. Now, when you press enter, this is the thing. Okay, the next command we will see here is we have to make the directories. In the GUI application, we make the directory folders. Directly right click and new folder. But in the command prompt, we have to write the command to create a folder. And the folders in command line or the DOS prompt are called as directories. So the command for making the directory is, first is MD and the test1. So test1 is the name of the directory and MD stands for make directory. So no change is happening. What I have to do next is CD test1. So here again MD stands for make directories and file name, that is directory name. After I press enter, I have to change that into the directory. So CD test1. Then I press enter. Then now from this folder, I am moving to the test1 folder. Now again, I will create here one more directory, MD test2. Again, CD test2. So here I am creating a nested directory. To see how many files are present in this, we have to write the command dir. When I write the command dir, it will show me all the files and folders available in my directory called test2. But as we don't have anything, this is an empty directory. So it is showing me here 0 bytes. Now, to move one step backward, we have to type the command cd ... cd ... tells us that this is moving one step backward from the nested directory. From the current path, we are moving one step backward. Now we are in test1 directory. We have moved one step backward from test2 to we have moved to test2. Now, if I put here dir command shows me all the directories and files present in that particular directory. So now, in this we have the test2 directory that we had created. So the test1 has a test2 directory. Now again I will do cd ... I have moved one more step backward and now if I do here dir, I will get lot of files and folders that are present in the folder called as dia. So the total number of bytes, the free bytes, how many files are there? There are 7 files and there are 28 directories. To create a file in the directory called test1, the command is copy con and the file name. I'll give you the file name as demo1. Okay. Then I will put here To save the file, we have to press the command Control Z. So this type of symbol will come and plus Z you have to do. Then when you press enter, you will see that one file is copied. So in the folder called as test1, I have one file and one folder. To see what are the contents in again test1, we will put the command dir. So dir will show me all the content of the folder test1. So the test1 contains a dir, that is a directory called text2, and there is a file name called as demo1, and demo1 has 84 bytes.